By order of the Peaky fucking Blinders, we are back and I'm pleased to introduce to you guys my take on the Manhattan, but with an Irish twist to it, to pay tribute to the Peaky Blinders. Because hey, I do apologise for the 3-week absence as life has just got in the way. It's been crazy over the last month really, so this is my first video in a while, so I do apologise. But to celebrate the Peaky Blinders returning to our screen Series 6, because it's on, because it is tonight at 8 o'clock, it's every Sunday at 8 o'clock, Season 6 of the Peaky Blinders, and I'm going to do an Irish take on the Manhattan. So let's make this cocktail. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is get your shaker and put some ice. So the first ingredient in the shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. I'm using Redbreast as a quality Irish whiskey. I really recommend it, because it's my first time trying this. So next into the shaker, guys, is 12.5ml, just short of half an ounce of extra dry vermouth. Because this again is a new bottleless, nice and fresh. Next is 12.5ml or just under half an ounce of sweet vermouth, or a Rosso vermouth if you want to call it that. And last but not least, add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. So put your lid on, give it a nice hard shake now, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chill. So for this one, like I said, it's a twist on the perfect Manhattan. Not just any old Manhattan, the perfect Manhattan. So get your coupe glass and strain into it. Now just slowly strain into your coupe glass. The next thing to do now is to wipe it with an orange and zest. So get an orange. So now we'll twist it and now wipe the glass with it. Discard it. So the final thing to do now is to garnish with a maraschino cherry. I'm using Luxardo. And then just drop it in. And there we go, perfect. And that, my friends, is my Peaky Blinders take on the Manhattan. So that is my Irish Manhattan, my Peaky Blinders take on the classic Manhattan cocktail. So there we go, guys. One Irish Manhattan, or the Peaky Blinders cocktail. My own creation. Like I said, it's just a classic Irish take on the classic Manhattan, substituting bourbon with the Irish whiskey. And it tastes absolutely beautiful. This is an absolute banger. Like I said, it's gone well, this drink. I think the Peaky Blinders would agree with this. That is a beautiful cocktail. But this has been the Irish Manhattan. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, for more TV drinks or anything of your imagination. As it's been very fun to film this, because it's been an absolute pleasure to film it. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun to film this video. I've really enjoyed it. So if you wish to catch the Peaky Blinders on 9 PM every Sunday, it's the final season, Season 6. But it will be interesting to see how they wrap it up without Polly Lurs, because the actress Helen McCrory, which died last year, April, at the age of 52, which is no age at all. Which is no age at all, so it's very sadness as well. Rest in peace. Like I said, but this has been the Irish Manhattan. I hope you do enjoy the video, guys, and I will see you guys for my next cocktail video. Cheers.